Hi all, this is Kavita, Assistant Professor in Commerce, Vellalar College of Education. So today we are going to see the meanings and nature of curriculum. So in this topic we are going to see the definitions, structure and dynamics of curriculum, determinants of curriculum, changing concepts of curriculum, curriculum and syllabus, scope and sequence of curriculum. So the first is etymological meaning of the term curriculum development is curriculum is an Latin word which speaks about the race course and the work field of the students, and it is all about a course of study, and it is a rapid expansion of knowledge, increasing student population and the radical changes, new interpretations curriculum speaks, and dynamic entries that goes on changing with time. So the definition of curriculum is a tool in the hands of artists, that is the teachers, to mold his material. The material is about the people according to his ideal. So here the ideal is objectives in the studio. So studio is school. So curriculum is a tool in the hands of artists to mold his material according to its ideal in its studio. And the structure of curriculum is there are five basic components of curriculum. The first one is needs of the learner and his society. Second one is aim and objectives to be achieved. Third one is concept of the content and subject matters. And the fourth one is teaching and learning methods. And fifth one is evaluations. The elements of curriculums are objectives, teaching method, evaluation, and content. It goes like this. And the dynamics of curriculums are the objectives are formed based on the individual and community needs. Subjects and the contents to be incorporated in terms are determined. Teaching methods are selected based on the nature of the subject content. Evaluation of the subject content and life experiences are how far effective in achieving the objectives. Thus, all the components like interrelated, okay, they shape the outcome of the curriculum. So the changing concepts of curriculum are the three main important concepts are the content, process and the product. So content is the program what takes, and the program is the experience what we get, and the product is the learning outcome. So curriculum as a plan or a program. So in this we are going to see the curriculum as a subject of study, curriculum as students learning experience, and curriculum as guidance for learning. And the second one is curriculum as intended learning outcome, and curriculum as the functions of public school. So the first thing what we are going to see is curriculum as a plan or a program. So curriculum as a subject of a study. So as we saw already, so it is all about the listening of the subjects and level of information which is suitable, and followed by the transmission of cultural heritage of mankind to the young. Select the and organize the information in the curriculum, which is done by the both teacher and student and subject matters. It goes in a triangle form, and the teacher is mainly concentrated with the problem of student interaction with the content. The second one is curriculum as students learning experience. So in this the knowledge which is acquired is effective and dynamic. So it is through the direct learning experiences inside and outside the classroom. So directly related to the content are the curriculum experiences and the co-curricular or extracurricular activities. So those periods other than the reading, writing and recalling and reciting everything, okay. And the planned educational programs like student council, athletics clubs, etc. And co-curricular or extracurricular activities, for example field visit to the historical monument like a botanical garden and zoological park, stimulating experience to the students. And the second one is curriculum as students learning experience. So in this we are going to see three main levels, okay. The first one is primary level, which speaks about the reading, writing and recalling, etc. The secondary level is integrated program, the curricular and co-curricular activity. And collegiate level is program of activities, that is life situations. And universities like project method, the academic and non-academic things. So here the student, teacher and learning. So these experiences everything, and it emphasize experience rather than the content what is thought is not more important than how it is reached or thought. Okay, the third one is curriculum as guidance, okay, for learning. Okay, so in this we are going to see it helps us to solve the individual learner's problem, okay, both interpersonal and group situation. And the projects, that means, and material required are the textbook, reference book, practical work, field trips, and various learning methods. And the conclusion is curriculum designing, which improves the learning of an individual. So through a curriculum the individual gets improved, the learning of that individual gets in a very standard way. Thank you all.